Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how much I made from a single YouTube video in the month of May. Let's dive right in and take a look at the numbers. We're now on the home page of my channel. It's called TechFaceoff. Here you can see all the tabs: home, videos, playlists, shorts, and more. Let's head over to the videos section. As you can see, I've uploaded quite a bit, 206 videos at the time of this recording. If you're enjoying this type of content, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing videos. By the way, don't forget to check out our merch store. Your support means a lot. Consider grabbing something to show love to the channel. Now let's take a quick peek at the shorts section. Some of my shorts have over 10,000 views. Thank you all so much for the support. All right, now let's get into what you've been waiting for. Let's head over to the YouTube dashboard to see how much I made from a video with over 18,000 views. As you can see, we're currently at 1,393 subscribers. Thank you so much for the support. If you haven't already, please do well to subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Analytics tab. Now let's go to the Analytics tab and break down how the channel performed in the last 28 days. Content tab. Here in the Content section, we can see some key performance metrics: impressions, click-through rates, average view duration, and total views. Now to the exciting part, let's go to the Revenue tab and check out the video that made the most money in May. The top performer, Honor 300 Ultra versus Honor X9C. This video really stood out. Here's a detailed breakdown: 18,172 views, 511.5 watch hours, 90 subscribers gained 200,000 impressions, 8.4% click-through rate, 16,200 unique viewers. That's solid performance for a single video. Looking at engagement, we have 511.5 total watch hours, 1 minute. 41 seconds average view duration. Not bad at all for a tech comparison video. Now let's head over to the Audience tab. Here's what we've got: 791 returning viewers, 16.2 thousand unique viewers, 93 new subscribers from this video. Top countries watching: Saudi Arabia, Bangladesh, Uzbekistan, Philippines, and Malaysia. Device usage: a massive 91.8% watched on mobile phones. Top age range: viewers between 25 to 34 years old. That's the prime tech audience. Finally, let's head back to the Revenue tab to wrap this up and see the full earnings breakdown. Now, let's head over to the Revenue tab. As you can see, this single video has generated a whopping $10.28 USD. Not bad at all. Let's break that down a bit. RPM, revenue per mille, 0.58 CPM, cost per mille. 1.88 earnings came from a mix of skippable ads, bumper ads, display ads, and non-skippable ads. You can also see the daily earnings stacking up: $3, $4, $5, $6, and so on, from May 2nd to May 31st. That's a full month of passive income from just one video. Let's try something fun. I'm going to switch the currency to Nigerian Naira. And boom! That's 16,422 Naira and 39 Kobo from this one video. The RPM is now 931 Naira. Pretty decent. Now let's switch to one of my favorite currencies, the Jamaican dollar. This one always makes me smile. Loading, loading, and there it is. 1,629.64 Jamaican dollars. With an RPM of 92 and CPM of 298. That looks massive. Man, if only those were USD figures. All right, let's set it back to the original USD. Not AUD, not Naira. Yep, USD right there. Back to reality, $10.28. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video and want more behind-the-scenes content on my YouTube journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.